Okay, guys, today we're playing Piggy Rush, and I think it's time I finally get Sawmill to silver. Okay, so... Oh, where? Oh, over here. Huh? Bro, it's fine. Not get away. Alright, what is everyone else? Yeah, there's some guy in the server who does bad things, guy. And his username is rshrugsfnf404. Something that really makes me sad about Piggy Rush is how this game has barely any players now. Like this game, I think it had like 1,000 when it first came out. Now the game averages like 10 people. Oh dude, bro, what is the plan? I'll just hit him with warned you in the second time, because I need a bit more XP. I didn't get much as much. Intro. This guy probably is so confused with what I'm doing. And another epic dub. Someone's getting a spring trap skin next update. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna cut back to when I'm killer again. Okay guys, I am the killer once again. And I forgot to change what skin I'm using, so yeah. Alright, not okay, 5 people. 4 people, sorry. Not a bad lobby size. I hope with the update, people stop playing this game more. Am I in a chase with? I'm just gonna shut it off. Marcus, helpless father. Oh my. Bro! Yeah. I'm gonna slowly walk. What's wrong when he is? Yes. Did the map just get skinned? Oh, the lights. Those bad things going on. Luna? Whoa, Luna PDA? Lost my center? Oh, Merritt's here. I hate this one, that's it. How did she dodge that? How did you dodge that little bacon?
Little bacon.
Looks like I need one more game, and then I'll be silver. I barely played Piggy Rush. I think the last time I played was probably last month. I haven't really had much of a reason to come back because again, no updates. What day even is it today? I don't know if it's just been last month. How long has this game even been out for? I don't know. I think I'll be run Sawmill. Yeah. Alright, I'll cut back to when I'm the killer again. Okay guys, we're back. And I'm about to be the killer, and we're joined by a really special guest.
Hello.
We're joined by Nightmare.
I'm a special guest.
Yeah, he's a very special guest.
I'm a really special guest.
Insanely special.
Insanely special guest.
Yeah. Officers are not bad. You aren't using him right. I don't get how people can say Alpha sucks when he's probably like second best killer. I'm so happy nobody plays as Crash. This Crash is so overpowered. Alright. Oh, okay, there's no train. That's...
No train, good.
Yeah. I was playing with this AI Tiger earlier, and he thought you could open the doors on the metro map. You started asking how do you open them.
Tasks already? It's crazy.
That should do it. Oh, you know what? I'll go this way. Hello? I don't know if this is you or someone
Better
else.
not be.
That should do it. Well, I'll know who it isn't if you break my door down. My door gets broken down. Hey, stop standing still. How am I not?
Hold on.
Wait, no! No! You're using the forbidden technique! Oh, no. Come on, please. Smartest Nightmare play.
Hold on. Like, get juked. Get juked. Oh, get juked again.
What is it? I'm not even slapping.
Oh.
You didn't level me up when I killed you.
That's why you don't kill me.
They won't be able to open this one. Hello, cool
Oh
kid.
yeah, someone's there. I see them.
When I kill Cool Kid, I'm gonna nail him to the wall.
Oh, they're both there. Hold on.
Come on, bro. Yes. Let's go. Level 50 Sawmill. Alright, this would just be a really easy last one standing. Wait, no! Huh? When did he open my door?
Oh, he's coked.
Alright, I'm on top of him. Oh. Eek, my stamina! Oh.
He just let you kill you. It's crazy.
Alright, let's equip the skin. Epic prize.
Epic, very epic.
I'll just go for monsters. Let's go. Silver. Oh my god, I can be a chef. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut back to when I'm the killer once again. For the 4th time in this video, I think. Or 5th. Woo! Yeah.
We got another special guest, Nor.
Not yeah, the real Lenore.
The real Nor.
Ooh. Yo, wait, hang on, that looks clean. Xavier might have cooked. I think this was made by Xavier. He did the original Sawmill model.
Very cool.
Very. Oh, I'm moving around already. Oh, okay. You know what? I'll put a door here. Yo. They cooked. This is cool. I'm just gonna.
Wait, I'm marked.
Ooh, you just said exactly where you were.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, hello.
Oh, not the lightning.
Hey, Nightmare.
That's not me.
Eek. Huh? Wait, where did you go?
I know.
Oh.
I was hiding in a bush.
That just didn't
Go,
hit
go,
me.
go, go, go.
Oh yeah, alright, I'll kill this Andrew. Oh
Yeah,
no,
nobody
he's whipped
likes
it out.
Andrew.
Andrew's whipped it out.
I would have gotten away with hiding in a bush if there is no storm.
Oh, that was a horrible voice, bro. Buddy, I know you, bro, don't even bother holding my gun out. I know you ain't got no shorts.
There should be. Oh, there it is.
Guys, make sure to like the video if you're excited for Piggy Rush update number 1.
Yeah, for the spring drop. I want spring drop.
Yeah. I'd like 31,000 coins saved up for it. I played loads when coin. Hey.
There's the task list.
No, the lightning. Oh.
Eh? What do you mean, oh? Just didn't kill it? What the? You don't see me. You don't
Where'd
see
he
me.
go?
You don't see me.
Alright.
That's crazy. Yeah, that skin looks really cool.
Get over here. Oh wait, has he trapped himself? Oh, he might have just like. Bro, how am I not hitting this guy? Oh. Huh?
Eh?
I love when, bro.
Oh, another storm coming at you.
Oh, what? It used to be 10 seconds. Bro, I only have like 20 seconds left. I'm so pissed.
I'm actually dirty.
Alright. Is anyone there? This thing's gonna be on. Bro, how is he healed? Come on, dude. You know you want to be like fucking start like emoting on me. Come on. Come back.
But why was he picking up a tape during the last one stab?
Bro, he's just trying to get his tasks done, man.
You did it. Let's go.
Yeah. And let's take another look in short. Yeah, I have 33,000 technically. I'm like 200 off, but yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, what? No, can I not see the skins animations? Oh, it's a shame. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out Nightmare's channel. I'll tag him in the
Oh
description.
yeah.
Yeah.
I
Goodbye,
bet
guys.
Piggy
Huh?
and Dizzy camera.
Whoa. He was the first person to ever record that, so you should watch it.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Let me end recording, bro. Bye, guys.